Hello friends, welcome to the TechList channel. So friends, today I will talk about InWin ARGB compatible AIO water cooling unit. So friends, InWin is set to launch the MR series all-in-one water cooling units featuring rotating water blocks, and this cooling solution offer both performance and versatility with two models available, the MR24 with a 240 radiator and MR36 with a 360 radiator. Starting from 8 December, this product will be available for purchase. An estimated market price is $105 and the MR36 is equipped with built-in ARGB LEDs in both water block and cooling fan. Then water blocks had post 360-degree rotating ring, allowing you to adjust the in-win logo to set the installation preference, and the LEDs can be synchronized with the lighting technology of various motherboard manufacturers. And these cooling units feature high-density microchannel pins with a radiator coupled with an integrated pump design. And this design not only enhances cooling efficiency but also minimizes noise and vibration associated with pump operation. And the cooling fan included in these units is the Neptune AN120 or 120 ARGB fan available separately. The key specification of this fan encompasses a rotational speed ranging from 900 to 2200 rpm plus or minus 10%, air volume spanning from 23.87 to 60.1 cfm, static pressure of 0.36 to 2.97 mm, and noise level of 20.5 decibel among others. And friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.